Get ready for the dictation. Start. On the issue number 1, the division bench took the view that the writ petition was maintainable, that the writ petitioners were entitled to challenge the ultimate selection made in the select list dated 15/5/2007, 36/2008 and 27/2008 stop. As far as the challenge made based on invalid appointment of the members of the commission, who were arrayed as respondent numbers 4 to 9 in the writ petition, the division bench found that those respondents had since subsequently ceased to be members of the commission, held that there was no scope to examine the validity of their appointment as members of the commission, but applying the de facto doctrine, proceeded to hold that strict analysis of the selection made by those members were necessitated. Stop para. On the above said basis, the division bench proceeded to deal with the other issues formulated by it. Stop. The division bench in its ultimate analysis held that there were serious lapses in the procedure followed by the commission in making the selection for the post of principals of the postgraduate as well as degree colleges, in as much as the regulation 6 of the 1983 regulation was not strictly followed, and that the necessary guidelines under the said regulation were not formulated, both the screening the candidates as well as in the matter of holding the interview, apart from serious violation in the matter of calling of the candidates for interview beyond the prescribed limit as provided under the regulation 6. Stop. It was on the above said basis, the division bench ultimately, set aside the entire selection and directed the state government to redo the selection afresh. Stop para. Before proceeding further, it will be necessary to make reference to an earlier judgment of this court in Civil Appeal number 2351 of 2011, along with connected civil appeals and transfer petitions in state of Uttar Pradesh and others versus Bharat Singh and others, within bracket 2011 4 SCC 120, wherein, this very selection came to be considered under different circumstances. Stop. In the said appeal, the challenge was to a judgment of the Allahabad High Court dated 7/8/2008, by which the High Court directed the Director, Higher Education to give effect to the recommendation made by the UP Higher Education Service Commission for the post of principals in aided/affiliated degree colleges. Stop. The state government was aggrieved inasmuch as the state government had earlier directed for holding an inquiry into the misfeasance in the matter of selection made by the commission, which was the subject matter of challenge before the High Court. Stop. This court, while holding that the selection was for the post of principal to different colleges, and since the selection was being made for a single post, rule of reservation will not apply, that the order dated 12/6/2007 issued by the government appointing the divisional commissioner, Allahabad as an inquiry officer to hold an inquiry into the validity of selection process, and the report submitted by the said inquiry officer, shall stand quashed, and the order of the High Court to that effect was affirmed. Stop. However, this court took note of the pending writ petitions in the High Court, wherein, challenge to the selection was substantially raised, and held that the High Court was free to examine all issues regarding the selection process in question, including the validity of the procedure followed in making the same stop. Significantly, this court took note of the undertaking made by the selected candidates during the pendency of the appeal who were appointed to the post of principals pursuant to the interim orders of this court to be permitted to be impleaded as parties in the writ petitions where the selection was under challenge stop. The interim order dated 12/11/2008, stipulated that in the event of the selection being set aside, all those candidates will stand reverted to the post of readers, and that whatever additional payments received by them shall be recoverable from them stop. Further, in the said judgment dated 8/3/2011, it was observed that in the writ petitions filed by the aggrieved candidates before the High Court, all aspects of the matter is open for examination, in which, everyone connected with the selection process will have an opportunity to place his/her point of view stop.